Hi, I'm Dushanti Pereira, mother of a grade 1 student at Sussex College, Malawi. It's been 4 years that my daughter has become a part of this Sussex family in 2018. While she was completing her UKG classes during this pandemic situation in the country, when the school informed me that they're going to conduct the grade 1 classes on an online platform, as a mother who's working, I was extremely skeptical how I get my 5 years old daughter engaged in these new virtual learning methods. Um, Honestly, at the very beginning, it was a great struggle for me, for my daughter as well. But eventually, she adjusted herself to attend to these online classes enthusiastically. And today, I'm really happy that my daughter has adapted so well to this new transition. So I believe that the total credit should always goes to the Madam Principal, Mrs. Tushari Bandar, and rest of the teachers at Sussex College, Malawi for the wonderful job they have done bridging this gap between the students and the teachers, which is really commendable. And it's really overwhelming to see how efficiently and quickly the new way of teaching and learning was adopted by the teachers and the kids. And I must thank all the teachers and respect them for putting such an immense effort to mitigate these challenges during this lockdown without interrupting the education of our kids. And I'm pretty sure that the kids are also enjoying these uh, online lessons and the co-curricular activities which are taking place along with the main subjects such as the music lessons, dancing lessons, the PT session and the morning assembly on every Monday morning and the chess session which was introduced very recently. And I should be very grateful to the chairman of this Sussex College network, Dr. Sunil Jayatissa, for this concept. And I believe it's a great opportunity to all the Sussexians. And of course, I should highly appreciate the fact that the focus is not just on completing the syllabus, but also ensuring that each and every kid who are participating in these online sessions were paid attention individually, even through this virtual environment. And I have personally witnessed how the teachers are trying so hard to maintain the disciplines of a physical classroom and how they're trying to make these kids very comfortable in this virtual environment where the kids get to see their teachers and meet their new friends virtually. So I'm incredibly grateful to my daughter's class teachers, Mrs. Sumudha Vijayveer and Miss Imasha Silva, for always being available whenever I need their assistance and guidance regarding my daughter's education without any hesitation. And they always make sure that all my queries were answered. So finally, I would like to thank the academic and the non-academic staff at Sussex College, Malawi, who are behind the scene working tirelessly for the betterment of our kids and assisting and guiding our kids to get through this pandemic in a more productive way. Thank you.